Babes,
Yeah.
what you making?
Making a TikTok. What's happening?
Well, I'm going now. You know I have to go car show and all. I have to take a few things and go. Tomorrow is a car show. So I'm going now.
Which car show? Where you going? With this small bag like this. You're gonna come tomorrow?
Yeah, a few things I'm taking with me.
Oh, let me see if you packed all the right things. Hi. In this bag. What you put here? Let me see. Hey, password around. Oh, what's here? What's this? Vaseline.
Hey, baby, there. For shining the tire. You're a car show now to win the thing. So you have to shine the tire. Why?
Oh. And this personal lubricant moisture.
No, that's for the dash, Papa. You know you apply on the dash. The dash got a nice glow.
Oh, like silicone?
Yeah, silicone, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, what's this?
Why aren't you feeling it? Leave it, close it and give it.
Hey, what you taking? Bun. What is this?
You know the car, our V8 car, that got 4 exhaust pipe, ne? So when the car wash, when they wash the car, so I'll take this thing and I'll put it over the exhaust, you know. I'll push it in so it closes the exhaust pipe so the water don't go inside.
How many times you gonna wash the car? Look at this. Look at this. It's all falling and all here. How many times? What should? Car show.
Sorry, baby.
Just go and sleep. Car show. Yeah, all the things. What did I? Never in my life bought this banana and all. You must just go sleep.